To add a multiple choice question type to your quiz, click on the Add button and then select a new question. From the menu that comes up, select multiple choice and then click on Add. The top part shows where the question is going to be stored. In this example, it's going to be stored in the default category for our spreadsheet quiz course. If you needed to, you can move it then to other categories within your quiz. First thing we need to do is give the question a name. We then will type in the question text. We can add in a range of images by simply dragging them and dropping them in. If we click, hold down with the mouse, drag and then leave go, we can then insert an image. If you need to resize the image, click on it and then select the image tool here. You can then change these options to make the image larger or smaller. If we scroll down, we can give some general feedback, or we can also give feedback after each answer. For some multiple choice answers, you may have more than one correct option. If that's so, you need to change this option here. You might not want to shuffle the choices, so you can untick this button if you do not want the answers to be shuffled each time. Shuffling answers will mean that every person will have the answers in a slightly different order. The first option we're going to give is bar chart. We then are going to assign this a grade. Well, obviously this is wrong, so we're not going to give it any grade, but we are going to give a nice message. We've entered now the correct option, so we need now to give this 100%. As we scroll down, if we needed to add more choices, we can click on this button and then 3 additional choices will be added. We can also use combined feedback. What I would also advise is you tag each question and then press enter. This makes it easier when you search for questions later, or if you want to use the same question in another quiz. Once you're happy, click on Save Changes. This will add your question to this quiz. To view the question, click the magnifying glass and it'll show you what the question looks like. Once you're happy, you can continue on and add more questions.